Hello everyone, welcome to the ultimate guide to LAYERZERO airdrops. In this video, we will be covering 5+ airdrops that might be coming on the LAYERZERO network. So this is an A to Z guide on every kind of airdrop on LAYERZERO network right now. So make sure to watch it completely. It will take you 10 to 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and the cost will be under $10. We just need to generate volume. And since it's not on the Ethereum network, the fees are very low. So per transaction is less than $1. So you don't have to worry about that. Let's go to the screen and start the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future airdrop updates. As usual, we will start with the crypto cult thread, and here you can find some information about LAYERZERO. The funding is now at 293 million and potential gain is roughly $5,000. We need to do 5+ LAYERZERO bridge interactions, and we are going to target 5+ hidden airdrops. So any of these airdrops are possible. So the first step is we need to load some Ethereum and USDT on Arbitrum network. For this, you need to have MetaMask wallet installed. We already have a video covering it if you have any issues using MetaMask. So let's switch to Arbitrum and do the task. So if you don't have Arbitrum, you can go to chainlist.org and add Arbitrum network. We also have a video for that. Now we need to bridge some ETH from Arbitrum to base network and Arbitrum to Linea network. So let's go to Stargate, click on this link. Now you need to load up some Ethereum and USDC in the Arbitrum network. The more, the better. Let's just do $20 minimum. We select Arbitrum here and then we select some Ethereum here. And now we bridge it to base. So we have this much Ethereum. So I'll bridge enough so that I have at least the transaction fees. So let's click on confirm and wait for the bridging to complete. Using this bridge, we are hoping that base and Linea, if they give airdrop in the future, we also cover their steps. So it's 5 airdrops in one basically. While we bridge ETH from Arbitrum to base, let's go to jumper.exchange and swap some USDC to STG. So let's go here, connect our wallet. Let's select USDC here and then we find STG and let's swap around $11 worth. So it will show us how much STG we will get. Now click on start swapping, allow the spend, approve the spend, and now wait for the swap to complete. Now our transaction for the bridge is complete. Let's go back. We can get this Ethereum back from base to Arbitrum if you want. So let's switch our network back to base. So now I will get some Ethereum back. Let's get 0.11 back. So all of these are layer 2s. So the gas fees will remain very low. So don't worry about that. Let's get this Ethereum back. Here our swap is complete. So we have done this task. We have done this task. So now we need STG and now we need to take that STG and we need to stake it. So let's go to Stargate Finance and you can stake it from 1 to 35 months. Go there and the SGC. I'll do it for 4 months just to be safe since it's just $10. So I'll approve the spending and the staking should be done. So we have staked the STG and this step is also done. And now we can go and start voting. So click here, go to snapshot.org, join this with your MetaMask, next connect. So here there are a lot of proposals and you can pick any proposal and vote. Right now all are closed, so I can't show you how it will be done, but it's pretty simple. You just need to connect your wallet and vote on whatever option you want. So here there will be like Twitter polls. So now we have done these 2 tasks. This is remaining bridging ETH from Arbitrum to Linea. So let's go back to our bridge. Now we need to send from Arbitrum to Linea. So let's select Linea here and click on transfer, confirm on your MetaMask and wait for the transaction to complete. 5 minutes. Just the voting is remaining. So whenever a new proposal comes, we will update you on Telegram. You can join it with the link below the subscribe button. So we have covered Jumper Exchange also. It is also a potential airdrop. So in this way, this video will help you be eligible for around 5+ airdrops. So let's move to the next step. What is it? So let's bridge some USDC on Arbitrum to BTC-B token on AVAX network. So this is the BTB contract. So let's copy it from on 2. We select AVAX and then we paste the address here. So that is BTC-B. So I'll use all my USDC here. So the cool thing about Jumper is that you can swap from any chain to any chain. It automatically bridges it. So after clicking confirm, we can see that it has started. So we'll receive this much BTC here. And this step is now also done. You can also grind loyalty points on this link. So this is my gateway link. Here you can find different tasks that you can complete and earn loyalty points. Next, let's go to Bitcoin Bridge. This is also powered by LAYERZERO Labs. This is the link and we need to bridge all the BTC-B from AVAX to BSC network, then from BSC network to Polygon chain. So let's go here. We just got our BTC-B from Jumper Exchange and now here we will connect our wallet and we will bridge from AVAX to BNB chain, and we have this balance. So let's click on transfer, switch the network, click on the spending limit, click on next, approve it, then confirm the transaction, and it should be done. Wait for the transaction to complete, and then we will bridge from BSC chain to Polygon. Now it's done, so we will select Polygon here, and it says that we don't have gas on destination. We need some Polygon in our wallet. I'll add some Matic here. Now we have all loaded up on Matic. Let's transfer. Here you can see the fees is very low. Fees is almost less than $1 in every transaction, because we are now dealing with layer 2s, which are very more efficient. And this is also done in 50 seconds. It should be done. Next, what we need to do is we need to bridge BTC from BSC to AVAX network. Next, we need to bridge BTC again back to AVAX network. So we have transferred from Avalanche to Polygon now. Let's transfer from Polygon to BSC and click on max. Let's click on transfer, switch the network and confirm on our wallet. Once it is sent, we have completed from AVAX to Polygon and then from Polygon to BSC. And next we need to transform from BSC to AVAX. The order doesn't matter. I'm just preparing for the next step. If you have any problem for gas, you can just fuel using jumper.exchange/gas. So this will take a little more time, 21 minutes. So let's wait it out. The only step that is remaining is BTC-B on AVAX to USDC on Matic. So we just need to do one more swap. So let's do it once the bridging is complete. The next is Angel protocol, which is not working while I'm shooting this video, so we will get back to it. It's pretty simple. You need to just open Angel protocol, swap some USDC to AGEUR, and then bridge that AGEUR from Polygon to Genesis network. So it's pretty simple. You can, I think, do it yourself now. You have become an expert airdrop hunter. Next is Holograph XYZ powered by LAYERZERO again. So now let's go to the link. You need to mint any available NFT 3 times in different chains. So go to the link. Connect your wallet, MetaMask. Now you need to mint 3 NFTs. So 1, 2, 3. It's totally free to mint. Just you need to pay some gas fees. So I'll mint here. You can see the fees very low. Confirm. Let the minting process. After the minting has been done, go to this bridge link and bridge them to other chains. So any chain should be fine. So minting is now successful. We can just refresh this. So let's send from Polygon to Arbitrum first. Select the NFT. Click on bridge. Wait for the initialization to complete. Click on confirm. This is done. Let's bridge to other chains also. Let's send one to Avalanche. Select the NFT. Click on continue. And the process is same. So this task is also done. You can do it on other chains also. I am just going to do it on 3 chains. I did it on AVAX, Arbitrum and BSC. So next one is OmniX.NFT. So for that we need to mint any available NFT. We need to go to their website and find a collection which is cheap. So right now we can see that there are 2 connections and both of them have a price tag. So this one is $40 each and this one is around $17 each, and you need to be whitelisted. So we are going to skip this step because right now there is no free NFT collection or cheap NFT collection. Maybe after 10 to 12 days there might be one, so you can come back to this one. So we'll skip this. And after that there are some tricks to increase the quantity of LAYERZERO transactions. So you can follow this trick and get more transactions on LAYERZERO. It's going to be a big airdrop, so make sure you are grinding it. This one can give you enough money to pay off all your bills for the year, especially in India. And that was all about ultimate guide to LAYERZERO airdrop. So we covered a lot of projects. Some of them are not available right now, but they will be available in the future. So maybe the links might start working. If you watch this video after 10 to 15 days, so make sure to come back and check because it's still early, and you can find latest updates on our Telegram channel, which is linked down below near the subscribe button. So make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, connect with us on Telegram for any doubts you have in any of the steps. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट में के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बहर निकटीन नशीला पदार्थ आज कश तुझको दूं पहला पफ मैं ले लूं चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा